In this video, I will show you how to redeem Microsoft Rewards without a phone number. Open your browser and go to Microsoft Rewards website rewards.bing.com. Sign in with your Microsoft account or create a new one if needed. Once logged in, click on Redeem and scroll down to view all available redemption options. Microsoft usually requires a phone number for verification. However, if you don't have a phone number, you can request an alternative method using your email. Scroll to the bottom of the Microsoft Rewards page. Click on Contact Microsoft Rewards. In the form, describe your issue like I want to redeem my Microsoft Rewards but don't have a phone number. Can I verify using my email instead? Fill in the required fields, including your email, username, and extra details if needed. After completing the form, scroll down and click Submit. Microsoft will review your request and respond via email with further instructions. So that's how you can redeem Microsoft Rewards without a phone number. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.